was a turning point in your life. You have been called an interesting phrase. I believe the word was, if I may say that, Sheikh. It was a wake-up call. Tell us a bit about that, Sheikh. How did that happen?
If I tell you, I have to kill you.
Okay.
There is a history where it's best to be concealed. An era of my life where I wasn't practicing. Yes, I used to pray. I used to fast. But I was a cultural Muslim. I was a punk. I didn't have any objective in life until I called one of my friends' house. So his mom picked up the phone, said, "Assalamu alaikum, can I speak to my friend?" And she said, "He's not here. Who's this?" I said, "Asim." And I was shocked. When I introduced myself, she said, "Son, till when are you going to stay a punk? Get a life." I said, "Oh, Allah Azza wa Jal chooses to put you on such a path that would define you. Who would have thought that English, that we've never paid any attention to learning it when we were young, would materialize and benefit me in giving da'wah? I would never have thought of this in my wildest dreams." But it is Allah who facilitates things. يُدَبِّرُ الْأَمْرِ subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if you reflect on this, it blows your mind.
People don't see this side of things. People think like you go on stage, like you go improv, but actually there's a lot of time invested to prepare.
No. There's a lot of time.
MashaAllah.
You have to open so many books. Even in my classes, when I give classes of a dars in the masjid, for example, it takes me hours and like 11, 12 volumes of different books collected, and I take notes and just to deliver the 20 minutes lecture.
MashaAllah.
So I was involved a little bit in comparative religion.
I see.
I was at one time the driver of Ahmed Deedat.
Oh, no way.
It was 2006.
Peace TV, was it?
Yes. I heard that Dr. Zakir Naik is coming to Jeddah. Dr. Zakir, my name is so-and-so. I know who we are.
No way.
Oh, okay. So I said to him, "I want to attend your combat kit course in Mumbai. I'll pay for the expenses. I'll just fly and attend it." He said, No, it's not good for you, Sheikh Asim. Not good for you. Not good for you. Not good for you. You know, I want you to come in 2007 to Peace TV Peace Conference and deliver lectures. Sheikh, I don't think I'm qualified. No, I know you're qualified.
You were still working your full-time job?
100%.
And while you were doing this as well, you kind of shuffling it in between?
Correct. I was working in my first company, dealing with pipes. I was a public relation manager. It went down the drain.
Okay.
So I changed professions, which is one of the leading mining companies in Saudi Arabia.
MashaAllah.
And I was the director of human resources.
I see.
In that company. In 2013, I think, I switched careers and retired and dedicated myself for just laying low and chilling and just traveling the world and giving lectures.
I would imagine being in HR.
You deal with people according to Quran and Sunnah. So even when you fire people, it's done with grace. If Allah does not help you and guide you and facilitates things for you, you're doomed. So we are in real poverty without Allah's grace and favors upon us. So it's all from Him.